Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy English Way. I'm really happy you're here with us today.
Hi, friends. I'm happy too. Because today's topic is something we all experience every single day, the weather.
That's right. The weather affects our mood, our plans, and even our clothes. It's something we can't control, but we always talk about it.
Yes, and it's also one of the most common topics in English small talk. People talk about the weather with friends, coworkers, and even strangers.
Exactly. In English-speaking countries, people often start a conversation by mentioning the weather. It's like a polite, friendly door to communication.
For example, when you meet someone in the morning, you can say, "It's a beautiful day today," or "It looks like rain."
That's true. Even when people don't have much to say, weather helps to start a friendly chat. It's easy and natural.
And you know what? Talking about weather is also great English practice. You can describe, compare, and express feelings.
So let's begin with some basic weather words. When the sun is shining and there are no clouds, you can say, it's sunny.
And if there are many clouds in the sky, you can say, "It's cloudy." That means the sun is hiding behind the clouds.
Good one. When water falls from the sky, we say, it's raining. And when the rain is heavy, we can say, it's pouring.
I like that word, pouring. It sounds like strong rain. You can also say, "It's drizzling," when the rain is very light.
Yes, drizzle means gentle, soft rain. You might not even need an umbrella for it.
Now, when the air moves fast, you can say, "It's windy." Windy days can be fun, but sometimes dangerous too.
Right. When there's lightning and thunder, we say, it's stormy. Many people are afraid of storms, but some love to watch them.
And when snow falls from the sky, we say, "It's snowing." That happens in cold seasons, especially in winter.
Speaking of seasons, let's talk about them. There are four main seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter.
Spring is the season of flowers and fresh air. The weather becomes warmer, and trees start to grow new leaves.
I love spring. The days become longer, the nights are shorter, and everything looks alive again.
Then comes summer. It's hot, bright, and full of energy. People go swimming, eat ice cream, and spend more time outside.
True. But sometimes summer can be too hot. When the temperature is very high, you can say, it's boiling, or it's scorching.
Great examples. After summer comes autumn, also called fall in American English. The leaves change color to red, orange, and yellow.
Autumn weather is usually cool and windy. You can say, it's getting chilly. That means it's not cold yet, but you can feel it coming.
And finally, winter, the coldest season of all. People wear coats, scarves, and gloves. You can say, "It's freezing outside."
When the temperature goes below zero, you can also say, it's below freezing, or simply, it's icy.
Let's teach our listeners some useful weather expressions.
Sure. You can say, it's nice and warm today, when the weather feels comfortable.
Or, "It's a bit cold, but sunny." That's something people often say in spring or autumn.
Here's another one: the sky is clear. That means there are no clouds.
And when there are dark clouds and the rain is coming, you can say, "It looks like rain."
Yes, that's a very natural expression. You can also say, it's getting cloudy, when you notice the change in the sky.
I like to use, "What a beautiful day," when I feel happy with the weather.
That's lovely. And when the weather is bad, you can say, the weather is awful today, or it's such a gloomy day.
Let's do a short pronunciation practice for our listeners. Repeat after us.
It's sunny today.
It's cloudy and cool.
It's raining heavily.
It's snowing outside.
It's windy this afternoon.
Great job, everyone. You sound amazing.
Now let's talk about how people's daily activities change with weather.
Good idea. When it's sunny, people like to go for walks, have picnics, or spend time outdoors.
And when it's raining, most people prefer to stay inside, drink tea or coffee, and watch movies.
In cold weather, people wear warm clothes, drink hot chocolate, and sometimes light a fire.
Yes. And in hot weather, they wear light clothes, drink cold water, and try to stay cool.
That's why weather is so important. It shapes our lifestyle.
Exactly. Even our mood changes with it. On sunny days, people smile more. On gray days, they feel sleepy or quiet.
Let's give some fun idioms about weather before we finish this part.
Sure. How about feeling under the weather? That means feeling a little sick or tired.
Nice one. And another one is a storm in a teacup. That means a small problem that people make too big.
I love that idiom. Here's one more, come rain or shine. It means no matter what happens.
Perfect examples. So, everyone, practice using these idioms in your daily life. They make your English sound more natural.
That's right. Talking about weather is easy, useful, and helps you start friendly conversations anywhere.
Thanks for listening to this first part, everyone. Stay with us for part 2. We'll talk about how weather affects your mood and daily routine.
See you in the next part, and don't forget, every day is a good day to learn English. Welcome back, everyone. I hope you enjoyed our first part about the seasons and weather words.
Hi again, friends. Today we're going to talk about something really interesting: how the weather affects how we feel and what we do every day.
Yes. Weather can change our mood, our energy, and even the way we think. Some people feel happy when it's sunny, but sleepy when it's cloudy.
Exactly. When it's sunny, I feel full of life. I want to go outside, listen to music, and meet friends.
Same here. Sunshine feels like a natural alarm clock. It wakes you up and makes you feel positive.
But on rainy days, I sometimes just want to stay home, read a book, or take a nap.
Me too. Rainy days make me feel calm and peaceful. I love sitting near the window and listening to the sound of rain.
That's such a nice image. You can say, I love the sound of rain. It's a soft and relaxing sound.
And when it rains, you can also say, the rain makes me feel cozy. Cozy means warm and comfortable inside while it's cold outside.
I like that word, cozy. You can use it when you sit with a blanket, drink hot tea, and watch the rain.
Let's talk about other kinds of weather and how they change our feelings.
Sure, when it's hot and sunny, people often feel active, but if it's too hot, they can feel tired and lazy.
Right. On very hot days, you can say, I'm melting, or it's boiling outside. These are funny but common expressions.
And on cold days, you can say, it's freezing, or my hands are numb. That means your hands can't feel anything because of the cold.
When it's windy, people sometimes feel fresh and awake. Wind can bring energy, but too much wind can feel uncomfortable.
I agree. When the wind is too strong, you can say, it's very windy today. My hair is going crazy.
That's funny but true. And when the weather is gray, without sunshine, people sometimes feel low energy or sad.
Yes, we can call that feeling gloomy. You can say, the weather is gloomy, and I feel sleepy today.
That's a good sentence to practice. And for bright sunny days, we can say, the weather lifts my mood. That means it makes me feel better.
Perfect phrase. Weather can really lift or lower our mood depending on how it looks outside.
Do you think people's habits change with the weather too?
Absolutely. When the weather is nice, people go jogging, walk in the park, or ride their bikes.
And when it's raining, they stay home, watch TV, or cook something warm.
True. In winter, people love drinking hot chocolate, tea, or coffee to stay warm.
Yes, and in summer, they drink cold drinks like lemonade or iced coffee.
It's funny how our choices depend so much on the weather.
Exactly. Even our clothes change with it. In winter, we wear coats, scarves, and boots. In summer, we wear shorts and t-shirts.
When it's raining, we use umbrellas, raincoats, and waterproof shoes.
And when it's sunny, we use sunglasses, hats, and sunscreen.
Let's practice some sentences about that. Repeat after us, everyone.
I need my umbrella today.
I'm wearing my sunglasses because it's bright outside.
I'm drinking a cold juice to cool down.
I'm wearing a warm jacket because it's freezing.
Excellent. These are all real sentences you can use in daily life.
You know, Maya, I once read that weather can even affect how people work or study.
Really? That's interesting.
Yes. For example, when it's rainy and quiet, people often focus better. But when it's sunny, they might feel distracted and want to go out.
I can understand that. I study best when it's cloudy and calm. It helps me concentrate.
I'm the opposite. I need sunlight. When the room is bright, I feel motivated.
That shows how different people react to the same weather. It's all about personality.
Exactly. Some people love winter and snow. They say it's peaceful and magical.
And some love summer because it's full of life and activity.
There's no perfect weather for everyone. It's just what makes you feel good.
I like that. Maybe that's why people always talk about weather, because it connects to emotions.
Let's teach a few emotional phrases connected with weather.
Sure. You can say, I feel blue, which means I feel a little sad.
Or, I feel bright today, meaning you feel happy and full of energy.
Another one is, I'm walking on sunshine. That means I'm very happy.
That's a nice idiom. There's also, I'm in a stormy mood, when you feel angry or upset.
So interesting how we use weather words to describe emotions.
Yes, it's a creative part of English. We say, my heart feels cloudy, or my day is bright.
That's poetic. It shows how language and nature connect deeply.
Before we finish this part, let's do a quick role play for our listeners.
Great idea. Let's start.
Hey, Maya, how's the weather today?
It's cloudy, but not too cold. Perfect for reading and relaxing. What about you?
It's sunny here. I think I'll go for a short walk later.
That sounds nice. I'll probably stay inside with some tea and music.
Both sound perfect. No matter what the weather is, you can always make your day good.
I love that. Yes, every kind of weather has its beauty if you look for it.
And that's the main idea of this episode. Weather doesn't just happen outside, it also happens inside us.
Beautifully said, Alex. Thank you everyone for listening to part 2.
Stay tuned for part 3, where we'll show you how to use weather in real-life conversations and idioms.
See you there, friends. And remember, no matter the weather, keep shining. Welcome back, everyone. This is our final part about talking about the weather in English.
Hi friends. I'm so glad you're still with us. In this part, we'll show you how people use weather in daily conversations.
That's right. We'll practice real examples that you can use when you meet someone, at school, at work, or even just walking outside.
Weather talk is perfect for small conversations. It's polite, easy, and always a safe topic.
Let's imagine we meet each other on a normal morning.
Sure, I'll start. Hey Maya, beautiful day, isn't it?
Yes, it's lovely today. The sky is clear and the air feels fresh.
I know. It's so nice after all that rain last week.
Exactly. I was getting tired of the rain. It felt like it would never stop.
Same here. Rain is okay for a few days, but then I just want some sunshine again.
Me too. Sunshine makes me feel more positive and active.
You see, everyone can talk like this. Simple sentences, but they sound very natural in English.
Yes, and remember, you can use short weather questions to keep the conversation going.
For example, you can ask, how's the weather today? Or isn't it hot outside?
You can also say, do you like this kind of weather? Or it's been cold lately, hasn't it?
Great examples. And when you answer, you can add more details. Like, it's cold but sunny, or it's warm and windy.
Right. Try to use two adjectives together. It makes your English sound smoother.
Let's do a short listening practice for our friends. Repeat after us.
It's bright and sunny.
It's cool and cloudy.
It's wet and windy.
It's cold but beautiful.
Good job. You're doing amazing.
You know, Maya, there's something funny about weather conversations in English-speaking countries.
What's that?
People love to complain about the weather.
Oh yes, that's true. They say things like, it's too hot today, or I can't believe it's raining again.
Exactly. It's like a national hobby. Even if the weather is nice, they might say, it's too sunny.
That's so true. But it's also a friendly way to talk. People don't complain seriously, they just want to chat.
Yes, And that's why it's such a good topic for English learners. You can always find something to say.
Let's teach our listeners a few popular idioms that use weather words.
Great idea. The first one is under the weather. It means feeling a little sick or tired.
For example, I'm feeling under the weather today. I think I caught a cold.
Perfect. The next one is come rain or shine. It means something will happen no matter what.
Example, I go jogging every morning, come rain or shine.
Nice one. Another idiom is a storm in a teacup. It means a small problem that people make too big.
Example, don't worry, it's just a storm in a teacup. Everything will be fine.
I like that one. There's also on cloud nine, which means very happy.
For example, she was on cloud 9 when she got the job.
Good. And one more, a ray of sunshine. That means someone or something that makes you feel happy.
Example, my little dog is a ray of sunshine in my life.
Beautiful. These idioms make your English sound natural and colorful.
Let's practice a mini dialogue using some of these idioms.
Sure, I'll start. Hi Maya, how are you today?
I'm great, thanks. I'm on cloud 9 because I passed my exam.
That's amazing. I'm happy for you. I was feeling a bit under the weather yesterday, but I'm fine now.
Glad to hear that. Are you going jogging tomorrow?
Of course, come rain or shine.
That's the spirit, Alex.
See, these idioms make conversations more fun.
Definitely. And when you use them, people will feel you're confident and fluent.
I think so too. You just need to practice them little by little.
Right. Don't try to remember all at once, choose a few and use them often.
Another interesting thing, weather can also describe people's moods.
True. For example, when someone is angry, you can say, he has a stormy mood.
Or when someone is calm, you can say, she's as cool as a breeze.
That's a lovely expression. When someone smiles and brings happiness, we can say, he's full of sunshine.
And when a person looks sad, we can say, she looks like a rainy day.
English is full of these beautiful connections between weather and emotions.
It's amazing how nature becomes part of our language.
Before we finish, let's give our listeners a short recap of what we learned.
Good idea. We talked about basic weather words like sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, and snowy.
We also learned how to describe feelings and moods using weather words, like gloomy, bright, or cozy.
And now we've added idioms like under the weather, a storm in a teacup, and on cloud nine.
You can mix all of them in daily conversations. For example, it's sunny today and I'm on cloud 9.
That's perfect English. Simple, natural, and full of emotion.
So friends, keep practicing. Next time you talk to someone, start with the weather. It's a great way to sound friendly and confident.
And remember, no matter the weather, keep your spirit warm and positive.
Beautifully said, Alex. Thank you, everyone, for joining us in this weather series.
We hope you learn new words and expressions that you'll use every day.
Until next time, keep learning, keep smiling, and stay bright like the sun.
See you soon, friends.